Get anyone to obsess over you. Get them to want you in 72 hours or less. Hi, everyone. Robert Zink, miracle mentor and alchemy life coach. And today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle. And we're always flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. So, as I'm speaking to you right now, outside my backyard, I have a couple of big owls. I'm not sure what kind they are. So maybe today we're soaring like an owl. I don't know, but they're out there hooting right now. You might hear them. Anyway, we're going to talk about getting someone to obsess over you. And this technique works. You likely will not see it or hear about it anywhere else. So be sure and subscribe and click that bell icon because we're here all the time for you to empower your life with the law of attraction. Okay, so this technique is very easy to use, but it will require you to put some time into it for the next 72 hours. It will require you to use your imagination, and it's going to require you to do something a little bit different than what you've been hearing from all the other law of attraction gurus. But I'm going to share this with you right now. So let's get started. I want you to think of a perfect mate. So in your visualization, you're not necessarily thinking of the person that you're attracted to or a specific person or your ex or your husband or your wife. You're thinking of somebody that is perfect. In other words, if you could sit down and write down every quality physically, mentally, socially, psychologically, everything, and you could write it all down and you could hand it into somebody and that person would walk out, what would they look like? What would they talk about? What kind of personality would they have? So all of those characteristics plus more, whatever you can think of your perfect mate. And I want you to do this. Put yourself into a friendly place, like maybe a park. And there they are. And you see this perfect mate and they adore you. I mean, they are swooning over you. They are obsessing over you. I mean, you can feel their energy from 20 yards away, and they're walking closer and closer in your direction. And you're just standing there and you can kind of feel your heart beating. I mean, here is the most beautiful, gorgeous male or female that you've ever seen. And you can feel their energy and they're coming closer toward you. And as the two of you begin to talk, as you get to know each other, they perhaps reach for your hand and you can feel the warmth of their hand in yours. And they begin telling you their deepest, most profound feelings for you. Feelings that you could have never imagined, but they feel them and they're strong and they're loving and they're caring and they're absolutely astonishing. Now, high flyers, it doesn't matter if you are divorced or going through a divorce, if you are broken up, if you've been broken up, if you've been ghosted, if you've been rejected, it doesn't matter. Because right now, you are with the most perfect individual, male or female, that you have ever met in your entire life. They fill you up energetically to a point where you just feel like you're ready to burst with happiness and love and joy and excitement. And then something happens, high flyers. Something happens. Here's what happens. All of a sudden, your eyes make contact. You look into each other's eyes, and it's like looking into infinity. It's like looking into each other's souls. They are penetrating deep into your heart and your soul as they look into your eyes. And you are gazing into their eyes. And you're just feeling so wonderful, so incredible. I mean, it's just a nice feeling. You know what I'm talking about? I mean, it's a feeling that you can't describe. It feels so good. Now I'm about to tell you the secret, the magic to this, how it really works. But first, I want to remind you to claim your 30 minutes of miracle mentoring and alchemy life coaching. Find out what a mentoring program can do for your life, for your marriage, for your family, for your love, for your relationship, even for your wallet, your pocketbook. We can help you there too. Visit us at lawofattractionsolutions.com. Okay, now here's the secret. So you've been visualizing this perfect person, and she is absolutely to die for. He is so beautiful, so wonderful. He makes you feel so good energetically. And now I want you to kind of in your mind put this person to one side. Now, on the other side of this person, I want you to think of your husband or your wife or your boyfriend or your crush or your specific person or whoever it is, somebody that you have feelings for, that you want to obsess over you, to love you, to crave you. I want you to think of that person. So now you've got them both standing side by side. Now overlay them. Overlay the perfect lover, the perfect mate over your specific person. And allow your specific person to absorb their vibration, their nature, their energy. Now, here's what's going to happen. You're going to do this once very slowly, very methodically. And then you're going to do it 6 more times, and you don't have to do it slowly. You can do the whole visualization in about a minute. So if you're going to do it 6 more times, it's going to take you 6 to 10 more minutes. So the whole thing won't take you very long, but something's going to change in your subconscious mind. You're going to begin shifting to a different timeline. Okay, so I got to tell you this. In between each session, so you do the visualization, then you pause. You visualize a white screen. This is an old Silva method, a white screen, and then you start over and do it again. And then you visualize a white screen when you're done. You're done when the overlay is completed and your specific person is now present before you with all the qualities of your perfect mate. Okay, so don't forget the white screen. Repeat this 7 times. I already said that, but I got to tell you, you repeat it 7 times for 3 days. Put your results down below here. I mean, this works. I've been sharing this with a lot of people. Now look at, hey. If you are in a serious relational breakup, and I mean, maybe talking about divorce or any number of things like that, then you may need this in addition to several other different techniques that we talk about and teach during miracle mentoring and alchemy life coaching. But for most people, this is going to be very, very effective. And you're going to feel better. And here's the thing. Here's the thing. What I've noticed is that when you do this, your mate is going to start to automatically somehow develop some of those qualities, the qualities of your perfect lover. Okay? That's how it works. Try it. Write it down below. You're going to go crazy over this one. You have a great day, and here's some additional videos. Be sure and watch them.